Most men over 50 think they're getting weaker because they aren't training enough. So they train harder, more reps, more weight, more pain. But what if that's not the real problem? What if the problem isn't how much you train, but the signal you're sending your body? Today, I'm going to show you 3 levels. 3 movements designed to rebuild the foundation of your strength. No gym, no equipment, just 15 minutes. And each level will test something different: control, connection, strength. So don't skip ahead, because the final level will show you how strong your foundation really is. Level 1. The pelvic power switch. Glute bridge. The first movement looks so simple that many men think it's too easy. But don't let that thought make you lose the ability to connect with the strength you already have. Lie on your back on the floor. Bend your knees. Place both feet flat on the floor, shoulder width apart. Drive through your heels, not your toes. Squeeze your glutes tightly while driving your hips toward the ceiling. Hold the top position for exactly 2 seconds. Then slowly lower yourself back down. That is 1 repetition. Perform 3 sets, 12 repetitions per set. The most important point here is the 2-second hold at the top. Maintaining this muscular contraction helps promote blood flow to the pelvic floor. This is one of the mechanisms the body needs to support stronger and more stable function. But here is the important part. If you perform 10 to 12 repetitions and can barely feel your glutes, that suggests this movement has become too easy for you. Don't rush to make it faster. Slow it down. Shift most of your weight onto one leg. Lift the other foot slightly off the floor. Then place it back down. Switch sides. What matters is not how high you lift your leg. What matters is whether your pelvis stays stable. No rotation, no dropping, and no letting your lower back compensate. Perform 6 repetitions per side. If your hips start to lose stability, go back to the basic glute bridge. But if you have mastered the stability, lift one leg and gently extend it forward. Perform the single leg control. Hold for 2 seconds. Then switch sides. Perform 6 repetitions per side. This is when your body begins learning a more important skill: maintaining core strength, even when the foundation underneath becomes asymmetrical. That is how true strength is transferred through the body. You don't need to conquer the hardest variation. Choose a challenge level that you can still control. Perform about 3 sets of 12 repetitions. And remember, don't chase the burning sensation. Chase control. And that is your first test. Can you perform 12 perfect glute bridge repetitions? Keep your hips balanced. Hold for 2 seconds at the top. Do not use your lower back to compensate. If the answer is yes, you pass. If you can't yet, stay at this level and build your control. Now, we're going to make it harder. Level 2. Hindu push-up. The primal push. You've awakened your core. Now, we need to connect that strength to the rest of your body. And that's where the Hindu push-up comes in. Forget ordinary push-ups. Those are for beginners. For men over 50, it's not just about building bigger muscles. It's about reclaiming the ability to create force and transfer force through your entire body. The Hindu push-up is an ancient movement of warriors, designed to build a powerful chest, rock-solid shoulders, and a spine like steel. Observe, as you move from downward-facing dog into cobra pose. This smooth, flowing movement encourages blood flow throughout the entire upper body, particularly engaging the deltoids and the erector spinae muscles. For men over 50, this isn't just about building muscle. It's also about decompressing the spine and creating natural stimuli for growth hormone release. Start with your hips raised high, forming an inverted V. Glide your nose close to the floor, while arching your back and driving your chest upward toward the ceiling. Feel the deep stretch through your core and the heat building in your shoulders. This movement mimics the natural flow of human movement during combat, forcing the heart to pump blood more strongly and awakening the endocrine system. Most men fail because they lack spinal mobility. But you don't. This exercise helps correct posture and build functional strength that traditional weight training alone can hardly match. Perform 3 sets, 12 repetitions per set. Every descent is a challenge. Every rise is a victory. If your shoulders are burning, excellent. That's a sign that your youth is coming back. Master the Hindu push-up, and you'll master the engine within your body. And that is test number 2. 12 technically correct Hindu push-ups. Pass. No rushing. No collapsing your shoulders. No losing control. If you can't do it yet, reduce the difficulty and build back up from there. because control always comes first. Level 3. Deep Squat Hold. Now we enter the ultimate test of lower body strength. Deep Squat Hold. If the glute bridge is the switch, and the Hindu push-up is the connection, then the deep squat hold is the chassis. Most men over 50 have hips that are almost locked up after decades of sitting too much. It's like a clamp, squeezing your ability to produce testosterone. Today, we're going to release that clamp. Pay attention to the powerful activation in the glutes and the pelvic floor. As you descend deeper, X-ray imaging shows significant stretching in the adductor muscles, while the lower back remains stabilized. This isn't just a stretching movement. It's a circulation pump, bringing nutrient-rich blood to the areas responsible for male vitality. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Point your toes slightly outward. Lower your hips below your knees. Keep your heels firmly planted on the floor, and keep your chest lifted. Don't collapse down. Hold this position for 60 seconds. You will feel the pressure building. That's when your body is forced to adapt. This isometric contraction recruits deep muscle fibers that are often not fully activated during traditional repetitions, thereby sending a signal to the brain to release growth hormone and reinforce your foundation of strength. Most men find this almost impossible because their mobility has declined over many years. But when you master the deep squat hold, you're reclaiming the primal mobility you once had as a child, but this time, with the strength forged through years as a man. Stay in the heat. This is where your new foundation is built. Hold for 1 minute. Breathe through the tension, and feel your strength coming back. This is the final test. Deep squat hold, 60 seconds, pass. If you have to stop earlier, that is your current level. And that's completely okay. You don't need to pass all 3 levels today. You only need to know where you're starting. Finally, you now know exactly where you need to start. 3 movements, 15 minutes. No excuses. Most men will watch this video and do nothing. They'll continue complaining about low energy, joint pain, while still following workout habits that are no longer right for them. But not you. By mastering Level 1, Glute Bridge, Pelvis. Level 2, Hindu Push-Up, Full Body Movement. Level 3, Deep Squat, 60-second timer. You are choosing a different path. The path of the modern primal man. Remember, after 50, your strength is not measured by how much weight you can put on a barbell, but by the fire in your bloodstream and your body's ability to recover. Consistency is the only requirement. Perform these movements every morning and watch your body change from the inside out. This is the blueprint for your rebirth. If you're ready to stop growing old and start rising, comment below. How long did you hold the squat? And share this with a brother who needs to be awakened. I'm here to help you reclaim the best version of yourself. Now, put your phone down, get on the floor, and start your first set.